Hey, hello and welcome once again to my YouTube channel. This Reflex Image. If this is your first time visiting, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and also turn on the notification icon. If you have any question, you can contact me whereby I'll get back to you as soon as possible. In this video, I'll be showing you how to actually generate realistic photo background using Adobe Firefly for free. And many of you might actually not know what that is. So it's an online based platform which is created by Adobe, the owner of Photoshop, which we actually use in designing our pictures. So they give this AI tools in case you're unable to access the premium version which is on the Photoshop. So with this, you can also just give it command and it's going to generate what you actually want for you, the background you want. So I was just messing around about 2 to 3 days ago and I actually discovered I tried to get some files for a client of mine to design a particular picture. So that's where I came about this site and I was able to generate few backdrops. And you can see they are lovely. So I'll be showing you how to actually generate yours in no time and step-by-step procedure. Not every time you actually need to go and buy a file, keep buying overlays. There are sometimes you'll be in desperate need of some overlays which the vendor you're actually trying to get it from might not have. So you can just go there and actually generate some overlays yourself and make it work out very nice. So if you're actually not following my Telegram group, just go there. You can see the link down in my video description. So we already have 2,564 members right now. So you can just keep joining and you get access to free files. I do drop free files from time to time, which is going to help you improve and also practice materials from time to time also. And also, if you actually want to purchase all the files I've been using in my editing, my premium files, you can just go to my store and purchase them there. So with no further ado, right now let's jump into action. So the first thing you actually need to do is to create a new tab. Open your browser, create a new tab. DB you are using Google Chrome, Firefox, any browser, and I think you should be working on your smartphone also. So create a new tab and actually type in Adobe Firefly, adobefirefly.com. So wait until it loads up, and make sure if you don't have an account with them, make sure you create an Adobe account. So if you don't have an account with them, create an account, and you can see I'm already signed in over here. So let's wait for it. I'm already signed in over here. You can see my picture is loading up right now. So I already have an account with them. So in case you do not have an account, just come here and go to mine is sign out because I already have an account and already signed in. So just go there and actually click on sign out. Then you can sign in. So about this right now, they're going to give you 25 free trial for a month to actually be able to generate background. And I think that is actually okay. So I've actually used 7 out of my 25 right now. As you can see, I've made use of 7 out of my 25 credits. So you can buy more credit here, you can buy more credits, but just go with the free version. If you're actually done with that one, if you don't want to purchase, you can just create another account with them. Then you continue another 25 free trial, but that's going to be stressful. Just make sure you just go there and buy. So let's try and generate a studio background right now. So just come down here in this prompt, then type what you want. So now let's see. I want to generate a studio plain backdrop with flower vase and flower petals. So then all you just need to do right now is just to come to generate and click on generate and wait for it to load up. So it's going to load 4 variants for you, 4 multiple options for you, which you can actually choose from. But that being said, right now, probably you want to give the AI more things to actually work on right now. Probably you have a specific thing in mind you want it to create for you. Because this right now is just going to create something general, something that actually not relating to what you want. So as you can see, this is actually nice, but it's not giving us the full details we need because we need it for a studio picture. We don't need it for a product design. So just come here, come to upload over here, click on the upload, wait for it to load up, then take it to where your overlays are and search the overlay you actually want it to actually create for you, want the replica how you want it to be. So let's select this one right now. Now click on open. So once you're done with that, click on continue, then scroll down under this content type, turn off the auto, make sure it's on photo, unclick the art, then scroll down again. Under the reference, we've already actually uploaded our reference right now. Under the style, you can still upload the same picture as our style also. Click on upload and let's go back there again. Let's go there, or let's pick something similar. Let's pick this right now, then click on open. So it's going to load up. Let's see. Then I think we are good to go right now. And the color of the background, the color you want the background to be, come here and select the color you want it to be, black and white monochrome. Just first leave this as none right now. Let's it actually give us the color it wants. So now let's click on generate again and see what it's actually going to give us right now. Let's see if it's going to give us something better than the previous one it actually did right now. And voila, look at what it actually gave us right now. So just click on any one of it. This is actually nice. I love this right now. I just click on download and automatically it's going to download to my storage. Then you click on next to see the next option it actually brings. This is actually nice also. Click on next again. So click on next again and see it's giving us something very nice. It actually gives us reference of the picture we actually brought in to actually generate another new entire backdrop for us. I've been working with this backdrop in some of my picture and I see you're going to see the outcome of what I actually created right now. So it's very simple, as easy as that. So in case you actually don't like the option that actually generate for you, you go back again and click on the generate again. It's going to give you another variant of the option you actually want. So now let's say we're done with this right now. So let's go and look for maternity shoot. Let's change the option. Let's change our option of searching. Let's change our option of searching right now. And let's not, it seems as if you're actually trying just a Canva backdrop. Let's try something else. Let's try something else and see what it's going to give us. So now let's come back here. Let's change this. Let's change it to a maternity shoot. Let's see if it's going to give us something nice. Studio backdrop with flower petals. So now let's actually don't click on generate yet. Let's come to the reference. Let's upload an image for the reference. Let's create a new image for the reference right now. So let's see if we have any maternity shoot picture backdrop over here, and actually let's make it as our reference image. So let's keep scrolling if you are going to see simple maternity photo shoots. Let me see. Okay, I think I have one over here. So I'm going to click OK. So I'll wait for it to load up. Wait for it to load up. Let's wait for it to load up. So let's look for another thing. The reference also. Let's still come down here and also do the same thing. Let's still upload that particular picture again as our reference and click on open. Come around now. Let's click on our generate and see what is actually going to give us. Let's wait for our other reference to load up. Then we'll click on generate and let's see what is actually going to give us. It's going to give us something very nice, or it's going to give us something awful. But so far it actually did a great job with the Canva backdrop we actually created earlier on. So let's see if this is going to give us something similar to that also again. And boom, this is actually nice. It still gave us something similar to the one we actually uploaded, but gave us in like 4 different variants. This is super. So let's open this up right now. As you can see, click on it. Wow, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. So you can actually just generate as many as possible. This is nice. This is so nice. And generate as many backdrop as possible from here, but we only have 25 trials and I've used about 10 of it. So in a month I have 25 trials, 25 to try with. So after that 1 month I can just actually try another month again, or I can just go for the premium plan, which is affordable. It should not be more than $10 to $15 for that. So you can just go and purchase this there and generate as many backdrop as possible and make your picture editing skill to the next level. I hope this video actually does. Don't forget to drop a like and also share with your friend. Someone out there might be in need of this, and please do try to drop comments from time to time. It helps YouTube to pick my video algorithm and actually push them forward. So see you guys in my next video. Reflex out.